In this video, I'm going to show you how to reformat your data so you can make a bar graph of means by each level in a categorical variable. Or you can just get descriptive statistics for each level in a categorical variable. And I'm only going to do this in PC. You'll have a similar steps in a Mac, and on Google Sheets you just need to know where to find the filter, and that's under data. The filter might look a little bit different depending on what you're using, but it looks like a funnel in Mac and on Google Sheets as well. Just looks a little different. So what I want to do in this example is I want to get the mean. Eventually, I want to get the mean for males and the mean for females. And I'm going to get the means for satisfaction with psych class. But I want to get separately for men, for males, and separately for females. So if I was going to do descriptive statistics on this column right now, it would just be for all males and all females combined together. So I don't have it separately, but I want to separate it. So to do that, we need separate columns for males and females. And we're going to do that with a filter function. But what I'm going to do here is make a new tab, and I'm going to make two new columns. One's called male satisfaction, or call it whatever you want. And then the next one's gonna be females satisfaction. Okay, and we're going to separate the data and then put it in these columns. So let's go back to our original sheet. And what you want to do is highlight your categorical variable you want to work with, and press filter. And then press this little arrow, and then I'm gonna begin working with the male, since that was the first variable I created in my new sheet. So I'm gonna uncheck females and just leave males. Press OK. And what happens is now all the females are hidden from view, and that's for each of the variables. So even though we didn't filter the other variables, they kind of disappear because they were female observations. They're observations from females. So now I just have all the satisfaction values for all the males here in this column. So I'm gonna copy that. Just gonna use Control V for me. But you can right click it or however you copy things. And I'm gonna paste it here. Oops, sorry. I mean Control C. And then Control V. And then I'm going to go back to my sheet 1. So this is all the values for the males. So I'll go back to my sheet 1. You can press escape if you don't want to have this active anymore. And then I'm going to go back to the filter, and instead of having all males, now I want to have all females. So I'm just going to leave the females checked and the males unchecked. And now we're going to hide all the males and keep all the females. So here is the satisfaction with psych class for the females. I'm going to copy that and go here and paste it. So now I can do descriptives on these two columns separately. So I can have a mean for the male satisfaction and a mean for the female satisfaction. And in the next videos, you'll be shown how to get a bar graph of the means.